Is it possible to know who is stalking you on your Facebook? So, hi everybody, welcome back. In this video, we will be finding out can we or not. So, let's just get started without any delay. First of all, you can open up your Facebook app, and once you are opened, you will be finding the login interface here. So, uh, within the Facebook application, you will be finding different options like your home interface where you can do post and everything, like, react, and everything. Similarly, and when you head over to your menu bar, you should be finding the menu, including different options available from where you can find settings and all. So, if you're looking for the option of knowing who is stalking you on Facebook, unfortunately, Facebook does not provide us a feature that allows users to see who is viewing their profile yet. So, or stalking them. So, it is not possible at the moment, but there are different indirect signs that may be possible that someone is checking your profile more often than usual. So, you can head over to your profile directly for that. And then once you're over to your profile, you may scroll down through your post and everything. And the thing is, you may just go ahead and look out for your increased likes or comments. So if someone particular is starting liking or commenting an older post or photos, they may have been scrolling through your profile. That may be the reason. Like it may be a sign indicating that they are stalking your profile, or if they are liking each of your posts without missing, you know, in a certain time, like right after you post it and everything. That may be also the sign. Or Facebook algorithm also sometimes they also suggest people who are interacting with your people, although it is based on multiple data points like mutual friends, groups, or location. That may also be a possibility. And if someone consistently is reading your message, quickly appears active whenever you send them a message, they might be checking your profile too. And there are certain reasons like stories. If Facebook stories, if one particular person always watches your stories but does not interact, otherwise they might be watching you more closely. So these are some of the few indirect signs and myths that you can be cautious about if you're looking for who is stalking you on Facebook for now. But only that's it for now. You cannot do more than that if you're looking for a direct feature. So that's it. I hope this video was informative to you. If it was, you can drop a comment down below if you've got any questions. And that's it for today's video. We will be seeing you in another. Don't forget to like, subscribe,